14. Was it really? That's 55 years? I'll have to see if I can find that. You guys should have lost that one. I can't believe you didn't. Because the Lions suck so bad. Triple Threads #1 up first. And we'll probably get into the eBay one. Then do some high tech. Go back to Triple Threads. Cracking a case. Love it. Interested to see what this stuff looks like. Alright. Triple Threads football #1. Good luck. They were talking on the radio this morning about how teams like that can sense momentum swings, and they had just gotten a hold of the Lions just right and felt that they were giving up and took advantage of it. But I can't believe they were up 17-0 at halftime and lost. Good luck, everyone. Jerry Rice, 160 of 232 for the Niners. Stevie RUA. Jimmy Graham, 27 of 232 for the Seahawks. Joe AQU. Romo, Morris, and Roethlisberger. First hit. It's a nice one. Devontae Parker, 39 of 70. The triple jersey, nice 3-color patch up there. For the Dolphins, Stephanie, EDG. Got a jumbo jersey of Melvin Gordon, 31 of 50. For the Chargers, Joshua HOF. You can never count any team playing against the Lions out. Jim Kelly, 113 of 232 for the Bills. Bo, B-O-R. Randall Cobb, 201 of 232 for the Packers. Ty, T-O-B. Dawson, Young, and Sue. Got a Josh Robinson rookie auto jersey, 17 of 50 for the Colts. Reggie, G-I-E. Last hit. Here's a nice one. DeMarco Murray, 3 of 3. All-Pro running back. 4-color patch in there for the Eagles. Bo, B-O-R. Nice hit. Three of 3. We'll take that. There we go. That'll do it for Triple Threads number 1. Three. Oh, that's funny.